Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Cebu Safari and Adventure Park proudly presents the Bird Show. Introducing your host for today, Mr. Dustin.
Hi, mabuhay! Good afternoon, everyone. So how was everybody doing today? Are you all good? Again, I can hear you. Are you all good? Alright, now to make sure you're all set and ready, when I say hi, you say hello. Hi! Alright, how about on this side? Hi! Alright, what an amazing energy. Now, did you see our group of pigeons? Well, did you know that pigeons can remember places and can find their way back home no matter how far they will go? It is because pigeons were used as messengers to carry out messages to our friends, families, and loved ones. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please sit back, relax, and enjoy as our fine feathered friends will showcase their natural behaviors, invite guest participation, and share important environmental message. But let me ask you something. Are you ready to be amazed to our fine feathered friends? Now let's get this show started. Now to start off, let me call my partner here on stage, Mr. Romnek, together with our blue and gold macaw named Amigo. Now, Amigo originates in South America, but inhabits in the rainforest of Brazil. As he is a very responsible bird, he loves to see his environment clean. Now, we have here some sample trashes. Now, let's see how Amigo will clean up his mess. So first, he picks up the crumpled paper, walks all the way, open the bin, and drop it inside. Good job, buddy. Now, for the second one, he picks up the can, open the bin, and drop it inside. Good bird. Now for the last one. He picks up the plastic cup, open the bin, and drop it inside. Now see, if the bird can do it, why can't we, right? So always remember to put your trash on your trash bins. As the saying goes, cleanliness is next to
Godliness.
That's right, godliness. Now Amigo, together with his fine feathered friends, has something to tell us. What is it, buddy? Welcome to Cebu Safari's Bird Show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying macaws. Now, we have a total of 6 blue and gold flying macaws named Harry, Hardy, Matt, Tony, Kyle, and Carl. Now, macaws are very adaptive. Whatever environment they are in, it becomes quite normal to them. Meaning, if they are surrounded by many people, they will accept many people. Their main diet, it consists of fruits, palm fruits, nuts, seeds, leaves, flowers, and stems. Now, this bird, it can grow up to 85 centimeters in length with a wingspan of 3 to 4 feet. They have a strong beak that can easily crack nuts and seeds with an impressive bite force of 500 to 700 psi. PSI means pounds per square inch. Now, there are around 400 species of parrots in the world, and blue and gold macaw rank as the third largest parrot globally. So, a round of applause to our flying macaws. Now, our next bird we have is a very special, intelligent, and a super handsome bird. But I need your help to call him. Can you say Jumbo? Again, I continue. Say another. Say Jumbo. Here's our green-winged macaw name, Jumbo. So hi Jumbo, good afternoon buddy. Can you wave to the crowd like this? Hi, welcome to Cebu Safari. Now everyone, can you wave back and say, hello Jumbo? Now, macaws are very long tails with feathers that can grow up to 3 feet from its head down to its tail, with a tail that roughly extends up to 2 feet. Now, Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful tail. Can you turn around, buddy? That's 1, 2, last one. Good bird. So as you can see, most of their colors are outside their bodies and less color under their wings. But Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful wings. But first, can you say wings? Again, say it louder. Say wings. Now lastly, macaws' feet are zygodactylous, meaning they have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backwards. They can also use their feet to hold on things and climb. Now Mr. Romnick here has a ground nut. He will place it into the plastic basket. Now let's see how Jumbo will grab his nut. Jumbo carefully lifts up the plastic basket and got his nut. Nice job, buddy. So as I said earlier, that Jumbo is a very special bird. You want to know why? Because Jumbo loves to go to school, to the bird school. Now, we have prepared 2 sets of tests for Jumbo, and the first one is a spelling test. Now, we have here 4 animal pictures. We have here the snake, camel, horse, and a zebra. Now, everyone, I need you to choose 1 animal picture. What would it be? Again, I can hear you. Say it again. Alright, so let's proceed, camel, with Miss Debbie. So while our staff is arranging the Jumbo letters, let's go here to Mr. Romnick to ask questions about Jumbo. Now, hi Mr. Romnick, good afternoon. How are you today?
Good.
That's good to hear. Now, Mr. Romnick, where did Jumbo originally came from?
South America.
Wow, South America, but he loves to stay here in the Philippines, right?
Yes.
Alright, so we're all set and ready. Jumbo buddy, take a good look at the picture. Can you spell out the camel word correctly? Now, first letter, buddy. He picks up the letter C. Now, how about the next one? He picks up the letter A. Now, for the third one. Third one, bud. He picks up the letter M. Nice job, buddy. Now, how about the next letter? You're almost there. He picks up the letter E. Now, for the last one. Last one, buddy. Alright, is it letter P or letter L? Take your time, buddy. There's no need to rush. He's still busy eating, guys. Take your time. He picks up the letter L. Now, camel spells C-A-M-E-L. Is it correct? Alright, now since Jumbo did well on the first test, we will make it more difficult. Let's proceed to mathematical tests in addition form. Now I need 2 numbers from 1 to 10. Can you raise your hands or hand sign please? How about in this side? Alright, I see your 5. How about in this side? Higher than 5 please. Okay, so I see here 10. 5 plus 10. So this type of behavior showcases their intelligence, curiosity, social nature, and how quickly they can learn. In fact, macaws are often compared to a 4-year-old children because of how they think and act. Now let's proceed here again to Mr. Romnick to ask more questions about Jumbo. Now Mr. Romnick, what are Jumbo's favorite food?
Variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables.
Now, Jumbo's favorite foods are a variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Next question, Mr. Romnick. What are Jumbo's favorite subject?
English and math.
English and math. Last question, Mr. Romnick. Where did Jumbo love to go to school?
University of Cebu Safari.
University of Cebu Safari. Now, let's see how good he is at math. Jumbo, what is 5 plus 10? Good luck, buddy. Alright, now, for the first one. He picks up the number 1. How about the last one? Last number, buddy. Okay, so is it number 5, number 6, or number 4? Take your time. There's no need to rush. He picks up the number 5. Now, 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. Is it correct? Sir, round of applause to our green wing macaw named Jumbo. Now at this moment, I need a volunteer. I need an adult volunteer who is not afraid of the birds. Just raise your hands if you want to volunteer. So we have here our volunteer staff, Atikat. Okay, so I think we already have our adult volunteer. So listen to Ate Kat's instruction. Okay, so please be careful going down, sir. Okay, sir, listen carefully and don't make extra movements. Alright, so we're all set and ready? Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our group of San Cunyors. Now, San Cunyors are also known as San Paracats. They are very playful, social, and have a very loud voice. They are natives to the northeastern parts of South America, like Brazil and Venezuela. Thank you so much, sir. You can now take your seat. Now, for our next volunteer, I need an adult volunteer who will stand here at the center aisle. So raise your hands if you want to volunteer. We have here a volunteer staff, Atika. Alright, so already have our adult volunteer. So please proceed here, ma'am. Now listen to our volunteer staff instructions. Face the crowd, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, now don't make extra movements and just enjoy the show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our couple Sun Kingers name, Ding and Dong. Now, Sun Kingers, they are a monogamous type of bird, meaning they can only have one partner for a lifetime. Sana all. But when their partner dies, that's the only time that they will find another mating partner. They are also monomorphic, meaning both male and female share the same physical features. Thank you so much, ma'am. You can now take your seat. Now, for our last volunteer, I need an adult volunteer with a money or a paper bill. So I need an adult volunteer with a money or a paper bill. Raise your hands if you want to volunteer. Hala, wala na yung isa. Any paper bill will do. So we have here our volunteer staff, Kuya Dave. He will be the one who will pick out the volunteer and give instructions. Alright, so we already have our adult volunteer. So just prepare a paper bill, ma'am. Alright, and after that, ma'am, please proceed here on stage. Just be careful going down, ma'am. Okay, please proceed here, ma'am.
Wala ako eh.
Alright, so hi ma'am, good afternoon. Welcome to the show. May I ask, what is your name?
Danica,
So hi ma'am Danica, how are you today?
I'm feeling wonderful.
That's good to hear, ma'am. Now I want you to show your money to the crowd, ma'am. Show your money to the crowd. Now ma'am Danica here has a 100 peso bill. So I want you to fold your money into half 3 times at the same direction. Alright, that's good. After that, okay. Right, after that, ma'am, hold the tip of the money and extend your right arm like this. Like that, ma'am. Now, ma'am, are you ready?
Yes, I'm.
Alright, that's good. Now, ma'am, do you have an extra money?
Yes, I'm a lot.
Now, are you sure about your money?
Ano na?
Are you sure about your money?
Yes.
Alright, so we're all set and ready. Now, ma'am, extend your right arm. Don't make extra movements. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our cute and fluffy Sancurin name, Sunny. Now, Sunny loves money. Normally in the wild, they love to pick up things and build their nest. Now, let's see what Sunny will do. So, Sunny flies all the way to Miss Danica, landed her arms, and he picks the 100 peso bill. Bye-bye, Sunny, and bye-bye, 100 pesos. Easy money, right? No, Mom, we're not done yet. No, Mom. Can we do it again? Like another 500 pesos.
1,000 lang pera ko.
Oh, yan na lang, Ma'am. No, Ma'am, I'm just kidding. So I will help you get your money back. All you have to do, extend your right arm again and open your palm. Alright, now Sunny is a good bird. He loves seeds more than money. Now Sunny, can you return the money of Ma'am Danica? Sunny flies back all the way to Ma'am Danica and he puts the 100 peso bill back. So round of applause to our cute and fluffy center name, Sunny. Now Ma'am, since you're already here on stage, is it okay that you will be our last volunteer na Jude for our last act?
Okay.
Alright, that's good. So keep your money lang sa Ma'am. Alright, after that, please proceed here Ma'am. Now Ma'am Danica, did you prepare an intermission number? Now, choose one Ma'am. You will dance or you will sing?
Sing na lang.
Sing na lang. Now, can we have a sample?
Ano ba yan?
Yes, ma'am. Or dance na lang, ma'am. We have music. You can dance with music.
Okay lang.
Alright, so everyone, how about we give a massive round of applause to Ma'am Danica here. So she will sing with us a song.
For all the times you stood by me, for all the truth that you made me see, for all the joy you brought to my life, for all the wrong that you made right, for every dream
May pinagdaraanan
you
na
made
yun.
come true, for all the love I found in you. Lang to.
Alright, so about a round of applause to Ma'am Danica here. Now, ma'am, that is not our main act. Our main act, you will hold one of our hula hoop. So we have here our hula hoop. So you will hold it like this lang, ma'am. Alright, now we're all set and ready. Eyes here, everyone, because I want you to meet our playful century name, Jack. So fly into the first one to the second one, and he made to the third one. Now, Sancuriners, they're very agile and they can fly or maneuver quickly when they sense something new around them. Now, Mr. Romney, can we do it again? One more time. Fly to the first one and the second one, and he made to the third one. Now, Sancuriners, they can only grow about 12 inches long and they are known for their high-pitched call. So, a round of applause to our playful Sancurin name, Jack. Thank you so much, ma'am. You can now take your seat. Now, everyone, can we give a massive round of applause to Ma'am Danica here? You're a very great singer, ma'am. All right, now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, let's wander in the rainforest of Brazil. As we have here our two yellow-crowned Amazon parrots named Lani and Rudy, together with their mentor, Miss Donna. Now everyone, I want you to meet Rudy and Lani. Now can you say hi? Now, yellow-crowned Amazon parrots is one of the most commonly kept Amazon species due to its excellent talking ability and playful nature.
That's right. These types of birds are great at mimicking everyday sounds like a rooster, a cat, a dog, a telephone ringing, or even a whistle.
Alright, now let's try a rooster first.
Okay, how about cat?
Now this one is Rudy's favorite. Now Rudy, can you bark? Now the next one is a telephone ringing. Now last one is a whistle. Now Lani and Rudy here loves to sing. Is it true, Miss Donna?
Yes, but before they sing, they need to do what all singers do. They have to warm up first.
All right, now let's do the warm up. La, la, la. All right, now they are ready for their first song. For the first song. Whoa, whoa. I love you more than I can. Whoa, whoa, yeah. I love you more than I can. Now, before we proceed to our next song, let me ask first, who's celebrating their birthdays today? Or within this month? Raise your hand. All right, now happy birthday. Now, buddies, we have some celebrants here. What will you do next?
Asa mo tayo panigirin mo, di ba?
Again.
Ano ba?
Last one. Now, see how talented parrots are? They can mimic sounds so well because their brains are super smart. Just like how humans using their voices. So a round of applause to our mimicking birds here named Lani and Rudy, together with their mentor, Miss Donna. Now, since we're already here in Brazil, let's meet Lani and Rudy's good friend, our most handsome Tuki-Tuki name, Mr. Horn. Now, Tuki-Tukans, they are the largest and the best-known toucan species in the world. As you can see, it is a white throat and a black body that helps them camouflage in the rainforest. Now, Tuki-Tukans have a large and colorful bill that looks heavy, but in reality, it is extremely light. It is because it is made up of protein and keratin, just like our hairs and nails. Now, there are a total of 40 toucan species in the world, and one thing they have in common is their large and beautiful bill. Now, when toucans travel, they don't fly in long distances like other birds. Instead, they hop between branches and flap their wings vigorously to reach their destination. Now, this type of birds can be found in the northeastern parts of South America, like Brazil and Venezuela. Now, fun fact about Tuki-Tukans, they can control their body temperature just by adjusting their blood flow to their beak. So when they feel hot, their beak will serve as a natural radiator. Now again, their lifespan in the wild, they can live up to 20 to 30 years. Now, due to their vibrant colors and unique appearances, Tuki-Tukans became the iconic symbol of the tropical rainforest. So round of applause to our most handsome Tuki-Tuki name, Mr. Horn. Now, since you already witnessed the amazing skills and talents of our fluffy birds, it is time to meet some fierce raptors, our birds of prey. Now, birds of prey are big birds with pointed beaks, sharp talons, and have wide wings. Examples are hawks, kites, eagles, and vultures. Now, I need the cooperation of everyone, so please sit down, turn off the flashes of your phones, and do not try to reach out or touch our birds. Because our next set of birds is going to showcase their extraordinary hunting skills and flight styles. Lastly, they will fly closer to you. Now I need everyone's cooperation, so please sit down and just enjoy the show. So if you have food in your area or in your seats, please keep your food inside your bag. It is for your own safety and for the safety of our animals. So again, just please sit down and also supervise your kids.
Para, sit down.
Alright, so we're all set and ready? Now, for our first birds of prey, it is a diurnal type of bird, meaning most of their hunting time is during the daytime. But before calling him, we will first need a lure. So the lure will be handled by Mr. Romnek. The lure will serve as the real food or the real prey because this bird is going to showcase how sharp his eyesight is and how good he is at catching his food. Now, Mr. Romnek, are you ready? Alright, so we're all set and ready? Now, ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes alert to our Philippine Hawk Eagle named Hunter. Nice catch, Hunter. Now, Philippine Hawk Eagle typically hunts from a perch, patiently waiting at the right moment to swoop down its prey. And as you can see, Mr. Romnek here is wearing a thick gloves that protects himself from the sharp talons and claws of this bird. Now, this bird, it can grow up to 65 to 70 centimeters with a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. So round of applause to our Philippine Hawk Eagle named Hunter. Now, for our next birds of prey, it embodies the beauty and the mystery of the night. Now, I need everyone's cooperation, so let us remain silent, seated, and relax as we welcome this type of bird. It is a diurnal type, it is a nocturnal type of bird. Now everyone, can you guess what kind of bird is this? Our Philippine Eagle Owl named Boo. Now, Philippine Eagle Owl, they are the largest owl species that can be seen here in the Philippines. As you can see, it has a wingspan of 40 to 50 centimeters. It has a large head and a bulging eyes that can spot a prey up to 2 kilometers away. So when they fly, they are almost silent. It is because of their special feathers that helps them glide quietly in the night, making them a silent stalkers or the silent hunters of the night. Now, their yellow eyes are not just for show. They have an excellent night vision, making them a powerful nocturnal predator. Just like any other owls, they have a flexible neck. They can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees. It is possible because this bird has a 14 neck vertebrae, allowing them to spot a prey and be aware of its surroundings without moving its whole body. Their lifespan in the wild, they can live up to 25 to 30 years. Now lastly, they're locally known here as Kuwago or Bukaw. So round of applause to our Philippine Eagle Owl named Boo. Now, for our next birds of prey, they are great at snatching their food from other birds. Now again, I need everyone's cooperation, so please sit down. Please keep your foods inside your bags and just enjoy the show. Alright, so we're all set and ready? Now, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together to our snatching prey of flight, our Brahminic kite named Shadow. But wait, there's more. Here comes the brother of Shadow, Argus. Now, Brahminic kite, they have a white plumage from its head down to its underparts. And the rest of its color are striking chestnut brown. But wait, there's more. Here comes our another Brahmini kite named Cloud. So formerly known as Redback Sea Eagle in Australia, but locally known here in the Philippines as Banog in Bisaya and Lawin in Tagalog. Now, Brahmini kite, they are excellent at gliding, soaring, and fly high up in the sky. Now again, I need everyone's cooperation, so please sit down and do not try to reach out or touch our birds. It is for your own safety. Now, these types of birds of prey can be found in the skies of Australia, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and Pakistan. Thank you so much, Miss Debbie. Now, for our last Brahmini kite, I need an adult volunteer who is not afraid of the bird. Raise your hands if you want to volunteer. So again, I need an adult volunteer who is not afraid of the birds. So we have your volunteer staff, Kuya Dave. You will be the one who pick up the volunteer and give instructions. Alright, so already have our adult volunteer. Kindly follow Kuya Dave, sir. Alright. Now, so again, please take your seat and enjoy the show. Now, sir, are you ready? Alright, so we're all set and ready. Now, for our last Brahmini kite, please let me welcome Sky. Now, Brahmini kite, they practice kleptoparasitism, or they love to snatch their food from other birds. That's why they are called as a snatching prey of fly. Now again, they're formerly known as Redback Sea Eagle in Australia, but locally known here in the Philippines as Banog in Bisaya and Lawin in Tagalog.
Mo din yung mulawin. Lawin.
Now, Brahmini kite, they are great at snatching their food from other birds. That's why they are called as a snatching prey of fly. Thank you so much, sir. You can now take your seat. So, round of applause to our Brahmini kite's name, Shadow, Argus, Cloud, and Sky. Now, from the medium size of raptors, let's proceed to the largest birds of prey we have here in Cebu Safari. Now, I need everyone's cooperation, so please sit down and do not try to reach out or touch this bird. It is for your own safety because this bird will fly closer to you. Now again, just please sit down, supervise your kids, and enjoy the show. Okay, so we're all set and ready? Now, ladies and gentlemen, for our grand finale, keep your heads up high to our white-bellied sea eagle named Silver. Now, white-bellied sea eagle, also known as the white-breasted sea eagle, or king of the sea. It is a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and its wings and back are dark gray in color. The scientific name for this bird is Heliaetus leucocastor. This bird can grow up to 75 to 85 centimeters in length, with a wingspan of 180 to 220 centimeters. So white-bellied sea eagle, it symbolizes wilderness and freedom. So a round of applause to our white-bellied sea eagle named Silver. Now here at Cebu Safari, we're not just creating about fun and unforgettable experiences. Our top priority is wildlife conservation. We work hard to protect endangered species, provide them with safer habitats, and educate guests about the importance of preserving nature. Together, we can make a difference for wildlife and for a better future generation. Now let me introduce to you the people behind this successful show. My partner here on stage, Mr. Romnek, together with Silver. We also have here Mr. James, together with Magnum, Miss Debbie together with Marina, and Miss Rachel together with Cap, our 4 white-bellied sea eagle. And to make this even more memorable, we present to you the symbol of love, peace, prosperity, and harmony. Now, my name is Dustin. We hope you enjoy the show. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the walk. Alright, now for those who haven't been to White Lion Safari, Camel Area, Birds of the World, and African Savannah, just go up and turn to your left side, proceed to Orangutan area. That's the tram stop for our key attractions inside. And if you want to pictures of our photograph birds, kindly form a line here at the center. We have here official photographers, the view through. For those who want to witness our white Bengal tiger feeding 2:30 p.m., just go up and turn to your right side, 2-minute walk going down. White Bengal tiger feeding will start at 2:30 p.m. Again, thank you so much everyone and enjoy the rest of the walk.